It's been over 35 hours since Bollywood star Saif Ali Khan was stabbed inside his own house, and his attacker still remains at large. India Today has now accessed another video of the attacker showed moments before he stabbed Saif Ali Khan. What does this video reveal? Find out.
The man who stabbed Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan in his own home is still at large. India Today has accessed CCTV footage of the attacker moments before the attack, where he can be seen climbing up the stairs. In the new CCTV footage, the attacker is seen going upstairs at 1:37 a.m. on January the 16th through the fire exit of the building where Saif Ali Khan and his family reside. Footage shows the suspect, with face covered with a red scarf, going upstairs without any shoes, possibly to avoid making any sound. Nearly an hour later, at 2:33 a.m., he's seen going downstairs in haste. This time, the attacker's face is not covered, and he's also wearing shoes. Later that night, the attacker was spotted at the Bandra railway station. Sources tell India Today he took the first local on Thursday morning to go to Vasai Vihar in Palghar. The Mumbai police has formed 20 teams to investigate the incident and nab the accused at the earliest. With Mustafa Sheikh, Bhavna Agarwal and Dipesh Tripathi in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, now the auto driver who took Saif Ali Khan to the hospital has spoken up. The auto driver recounts Saif's ride to the hospital. A bleeding Saif took that auto with his 6-year-old son Taimur. Listen in to the details. All right, so we're going to get you the reaction of the auto driver who, in the middle of the night at about 2:30, has taken Saif Ali Khan to the hospital. Saif was accompanied by his 8-year-old son Taimur. Listen in.
इस वक्त ऑटो ड्राइवर भजन सिंह जी हमारे साथ हैं। सैफ अली खान को हॉस्पिटल इस ऑटो रिक्शा में लेके गए थे। उस रात को क्या हुआ था भजन जी, अगर साहब बता पाए।
जी सर, मैं जैसे नाइट में गाड़ी चलाता हूँ तो मैं गलियों में भाड़े की तलाश में यानी अपने ग्राहक को ढूंढ रहा, ठीक है। कोई मिलता मेरे को हाथ देता कि रिक्शा रिक्शा रोको रोको रोको, तो गेट से भी आ जाती है। तो एक लेडीज सामने से भाग के आती है तो बोले फटाक से भैया जी उठन लो, फटाक से गेट पे गाड़ी लगाओ, इमरजेंसी है, किसी को घाव लगा है। घाव लगाने के बाद जैसे गेट पे जाता हूँ तो 2-4 लोग निकलते हैं, रिक्शा खड़ा करा तो देखता हूँ एक आदमी निकल रहा है, उसको खून से ब्लड से यानी कि पूरा वाइट
ब्लड से खून से भरा हुआ,
खून से भरा हुआ था। तो देखने के बाद तो देखते देखते फिर मेरे को भी थोड़ा वो लगा, अफसोस हुआ। मैंने यार इसको ज्यादा जख्म लगा हुआ, तो मैंने फटाफट बैठाया उनको। बैठे वो तो एक बच्चा बैठा और एक और भी उनके साथ में कोई बैठा था। तकरीबन वही 3-3:45 बजे का टाइमिंग होगा सर। हाँ, और
उन्होंने बैठने के बाद क्या कहा आपसे?
तो मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है, वो बात करने लगे। फिर आपसी में वो बात कही है, बोले हॉस्पिटल ले लो। तो मैं तो सीधे ही ऐसे गलियों में घुसा दिया था हॉस्पिटल की तरफ। चाहे बाबा लगे, पहले बाबा लगता है, उसके बाद में राइट मारोगे हिल रोड पे अपना होली फैमिली लगता है, और अंदर फिर उसके बाद फिर लीलावती लगता है। तो फिर मैं यही पूछा, मैंने सर किधर जाएंगे? तो आपस में पहले बोले कि लीलावती जाएंगे या होली फैमिली जाएंगे। तो फिर उनसे जैसे बोले अपना सैफ अली खान बोले कि लीलावती चलो। उसके बाद में मैं एक कंफर्म करने के लिए फिर पूछा कि अगर लीलावती जाते तो सीधा जाते, तो मैंने कहा अंदर से लेके चलूंगा। तो फिर वो लीलावती गए। मैंने सर लीलावती, बोले हाँ लीलावती। फिर मैं गली से अपना बालाजी से लेफ्ट मारा, चप्पल रोड से सीधा निकाला। तो मेरे से इतना पूछे कितना टाइम लगेगा, मैंने सर बस यूटर्न मार के सामने गेट ही आ गया, लीलावती पहुंच ही चुके थे। हाँ,
और कोई बात कर रहे थे वो लोग जब ऑटो में बैठे थे?
और कोई ज्यादा कोई बात नहीं हुई।
जब आपने उनको ऐसा खून
गया तो वो खुद ही बोले कि फटाफट जैसा कि जो है उनको बुलाओ स्टाफ को, मैं सैफ अली खान हूँ। तब मुझे पता चला मैंने सैफ अली खान है। जब तक स्ट्रेचर आया तो फिर इधर खसक के फिर मैं भी जैसा ये बैठी है मैडम, तो मैं भी ऐसा करके बैठ गया थोड़ा देखने को। मेरे स्टार कोई होता तो आज मैं भी जरा देख लूँ, कोई बड़ा सेल्फी होता है। तो मैं भी ये सोचा, मेरे पास भी फोन था, एक सेल्फी ले लूँ। तो मैंने नहीं, ऐसा कोई आदमी का थोड़ा घाव लगा है तो अच्छा नहीं लगता। हाँ,
पैसे मिले आपको?
नहीं, पैसे के लिए नहीं, तो एक उनके जो साथ में था तो वो ऐसे हाथ हिला दिए। मैंने चलो ठीक है जो भी है बस। हाँ।
All right, so that was the auto driver that had taken Saif Ali Khan to the hospital with his son as well as with the house help. Now, in midst of all of this, what has stunned many is that little Taimur, who's 8-year-old, took his father to the hospital, accompanied him to the hospital along with the house help. The next report will tell you more.
A big turn of events in the Saif Ali Khan stabbing attack. It has now emerged that it was 8-year-old Taimur, not Ibrahim, who accompanied Saif to Leelavati Hospital during the wee hours of January 16. The revelation was made by Neeraj Uttamani, Chief Operating Officer of Leelavati Hospital.
पूरा उनका उसमें ब्लड था, but he walked in like a lion and only with his small child. That is 6-7 साल का उनका जो लड़का है, तैमूर है शायद उसका नाम, हाँ, उसके साथ वो वॉक इन किए हैं. With so much of this, he is a real hero that way.
India Today has pieced together the sequence of events that unfolded after Saif was stabbed in the wee hours of January 16. It was around 2 a.m. that the intruder was seen by the caretaker of Taimur and Jay. In the scuffle that ensued, the intruder stabbed Saif 6 times with a knife. With no drivers present, the actor was rushed to the hospital in an auto rickshaw with son Taimur and member of the house staff. He reached the hospital with the knife still inside his body. A paparazzi video showed a visibly disturbed Kareena Kapoor Khan outside the building after the stabbing attack on Saif. This stunning turn of events has raised more questions about what transpired that fateful night at Saif and Kareena's Bandra residence. Why did young Taimur accompany his bleeding father to the hospital? Where were other members of the family? What about the nearly 10-member staff and security at Bandra building? With Vidya and Divyesh Singh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, in midst of all these unanswered questions, there is one question that arises, which is, was there a bigger plot behind Saif Ali Khan's stabbing than just the burglary angle that is being investigated? On 14th January, 2 days before Saif was stabbed, a man was spotted trying to enter Shah Rukh Khan's residence, Mannat. Police suspect Saif's attacker could be the same man. Is there more to what meets the eye currently? Here's the story.
A stunning twist in the Saif Ali Khan stabbing case. The Mumbai police suspect that just 2 days before Saif Ali Khan was stabbed, the attacker also wrecked Shah Rukh Khan's residence.
The person who's accused in attack at Saif Ali Khan also wrecked the house of Shah Rukh Khan. This is a probability, a likelihood which the police is pointing out. But what is confirmed is that on January 14, Retreat House, this property, which is a church property of Bombay Xavier Corporation, was used to recce the house of Shah Rukh Khan. So this is the Retreat House. That person got a ladder and he used this ladder to do a recce around the Shah Rukh Khan's house, which is Mannat.
Police suspect that the attacker wrecked Shah Rukh's home on January the 14th and allegedly used an iron ladder to sneak inside Mannat. The ladder used by the attacker was 6 to 8 feet long. The police suspect involvement of an accomplice as the ladder was too heavy to be moved by a single person. No complaint has been lodged by Shah Rukh Khan himself regarding this yet, but the police are taking the matter seriously. With Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.